Tree Removal Mornington Peninsula. Worried that the storm-damaged tree near your home might topple over? In that case, you need expert tree removal that Mornington Peninsula residents trust. We're the Climbing Dutchman, a family-owned and operated business that specializes in complete tree maintenance and care. This includes the trimming, pruning, and removal of dangerous trees. When you need to remove trees that could risk becoming a safety issue, it's important to hire expert arborists with the right knowledge and skills. At the Climbing Dutchman, we have a team of ISA board certified and fully insured specialists to tackle complete tree removal jobs of all scales. As licensed professionals, we make sure to comply with local codes that keep your property and the environment safe. That's why we plan out every job by conducting a complete survey of your yard, getting the required permits, and filing the necessary paperwork. Not all trees can be felled, so a thorough understanding of growth patterns is important to remove a tree safely. Call us today.